everybody, welcome back to Miriam Cast channel. And if you're new here, then my name is Miriam and I make travel vlogs around the world and record myself traveling with my partner and my 10-month-old baby. So I'm currently in Varkala, and Varkala is a beach destination in Kerala, which is a state of India in south of India. Varkala is a beach destination and it's basically surrounded by a giant cliff on which there are so many different restaurants and accommodations. It's an amazing view that you can see from the top of the hill, especially you can see the whole beach. We are here for 10 days of holidays and we are going to be staying here during Christmas and New Year's. We are super excited to be here, and this time we will be just relaxing. But this video specifically will be about Varkala beach and what you can do as a tourist in Varkala. So we just left the accommodation and we are off to explore the Varkala cliffside. So as you can see guys, we are actually located on this cliff right here, and this just gives you a very good view to what it looks like. So as you can see, we have all the water there. There's a beach far away, another beach, and as you can see the cliff starts here, goes all the way up, and here we are where you have a lot of restaurants, cafes and hostels and people selling the stuff. So most of the shops around this area that sell loads of clothes look pretty much something like this. So you can get so many clothes in this area, as you can see, and especially they sell these like elephant kind of trousers, I call them. Obviously they're like Indian trousers, but I call them elephant pants because so many people, and especially travelers and backpackers, will buy themselves these kind of trousers while traveling Asia. So this shop right here, you actually get made these clothes on the spot. As you can see, there's even the machine, and there is actually somebody over there making clothes already, and he's selling so many different things, especially these like trousers and dresses and other clothes, and so many souvenirs also. As you can see, still loads of Indian clothes. And as we are walking along, down there you can see the beach. So here is where the beautiful view starts. Literally we are on this cliff and the beach is just down there. It's a massive beach that goes like all the way, and the cliff actually turns into these small alleyways which are really cool. As you can see now, this is a smaller alleyway compared to before. And then the second half of the cliff is pretty much loads of restaurants filled with a lot of people. So welcome to Varkala beach. Obviously, as you can see behind me, we have just arrived to the most popular beach in Varkala. So today we're going to spend most of our day at the beach because Varkala is known for that location, just to relax and pretty much spend your days at the beach. It's a really sunny, hot day today, and I don't have my glasses because they're too big and broken, and I haven't got a hat yet because I didn't manage to buy one yet. But right now we are trying to find a place where we can put our stuff and relax. How is the sand? Hot?
It's actually quite hot, but it's like borderline. If it was a little bit hotter, I would be running to shade right now.
One of the problems on Varkala beach is the fact that it doesn't really have any shade. As you can see, there's hardly any trees apart from just this cliff, but the beach is like right over there. People do have umbrellas, but I would just much prefer to be under the tree. So that's like a little bit strange. with the beach right now. We have been here maybe like 2 hours, and I feel like 2 hours is like the maximum time you can spend on the beach if you don't have an umbrella. I mean, like a proper umbrella. We have like a mini umbrella, which saves us a little bit, especially umbrella. But the sun in India is blasting hot. Like, it's like probably right now 33 degrees or something like that. So sitting directly in the sun, I don't know how other people can do it, but I cannot do that. So I guess that is a time at the beach completed for today. So right now it's sunset time, and today is New Year's Eve, which is kind of really exciting because we are in India for New Year's Eve. That's amazing. So let's walk around and see what's happening in Varkala during the evening time. No, bubbles. So right behind me, I don't know if you can hear it, guys, but there's like so much happening, so many like trams going on and stuff. I think this is how India celebrates New Year's, because today is New Year's, and it's absolutely crazy. There is like so many trams, it's so loud, massive crowd, so many like things happening, and it's super exciting actually. Let's check it out. Literally, it's just in the car park. Look at this crowd. So many people have arrived just to watch this. Of course, it came a time finally where everybody's trying to take a selfie on 2 phones.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Selfie on both cameras. So we're just walking on the main cliffside, and as you can see, there is so many lights here. This is still after Christmas and New Year's, and literally every single restaurant has so many lights. And that sums up the end of this video. So if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do, and make sure you like this video down below. And for anybody who's currently watching, Happy New Year to you. Anyway, see you.